But first, some breaking news now coming in. The accused in the Badlapur case, where two minors were raped and molested in the toilet, who has been in custody of the police, has now died in police custody. According to what the police have claimed as the series of events, is that he had snatched a gun from one of the police, and then a cop retaliated, and he was first injured in that firing, and now he has died. Let's go across to Radhika now for more. And Radhika, this is the person accused of raping two nursery school girls in a school in Badlapur, in the bathroom there. This had created a massive controversy. The Bombay High Court was also involved, but now the police saying that there was this incident in which he snatched a gun and now he has died.
That's right, Akshay Shinde, the accused in the rape case in Badlapur, has in fact died. In fact, this happened as a result of retaliatory firing, as you mentioned. In fact, he was being taken from Taloja prison to Badlapur in a second FIR that was registered by his first wife against him in connection to a domestic abuse case as well as sexual assault case. Post which, of course, the second FIR was registered, after which, of course, he was once again being taken into custody, and he was being transferred from Taloja prison to Badlapur when Akshay Shinde snatched a gun from a cop and tried to fire at him, after which another cop fired back at him, and both the cop and accused Akshay Shinde were injured as a result of this. And later, of course, Akshay Shinde has now succumbed to injuries. Is the latest information we have got so far. A very disturbing incident, of course. Akshay Shinde was accused of sexually assaulting two minor kids in a school where he was working as a cleaner. This incident happening a couple of months back, after which, of course, he was arrested sometime this time in August. And post the incident, of course, there was massive outrage and protest, as far as students as well as parents and citizens of Badlapur are concerned, which led to Rail Roko Andolan as well. Two minor kids, two toddlers were sexually assaulted in their own school by this man. Of course, he was taken into custody, and a SIT was formed. A public prosecutor also appointed, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde also making assurance that all action will be taken as far as security and safety of schools across the state are concerned. So yes, it did lead to outrage, protest, and of course, fast-track action also by the police. But the disturbing news coming in that Akshay Shinde snatched the gun while he was being transported by the police officials from Taloja to another, to the lockup, in connection to the FIR, when he opened fire at a police official. Later, another cop, in fact, fired back at him, after which he was injured. He was taken to the hospital, so was the cop, and later this man has now succumbed to injury. Of course, be carried out to understand the circumstances leading to this particular incident that happened at about 6 p.m. today.
That's right, Radhika, because it is what the police are claiming that did happen. Thanks so much for joining us with all those details. So the accused in the Badlapur rape has now died in police custody.